are accessing any applications, your access data layer should be a proper, that is encapsulated and specified. That first we need to understand the project structure itself, then we can define the accessibility level of your project. So first you need to whatever object is need to check that it's encapsulated properly. So with the help of repository and specify this project structure, here you can see project name. We need to create a project structure as a proper format. The whatever project name, right, as well as core means what content data will be stored on that project. We splitted that project in project name.core, application, interface and web. That is, in web we are stored in the UI files. Interfaces will contain the DB context object, and in application there is a application logic, and here in core we can store the entity domains, right? And while we are creating the specification for that project, we need to create a interfaces as per our requirement. So here just you can check, in core project we can create a specific interface. It will give a proper understanding. In core project also you can create a generic repository, right here, and it will be good to understood. In generic repository will be implemented, okay, with a type which we are passing for that, and we are passing a application context object for that, and inside we are using specific object type, and that will help to access the content as per encapsulated content, and it will be easy to understand, and one time we can create, it will be used anywhere, that will can we use. And here we are defining a application context DB context with the DB set object, and in this we are creating a dependency injection. So while encapsulating any object, we can create a dependency injection. It will help to loosely couple your application with the each domain content, and it will the domain context, and here we are creating a controller for that object, and we are calling a get method on here. So you understood properly, right? So thank you for cooperation. Thank you.